Good evening, I'm Liz Bishop. Opening statements got underway today in the case of Trinity Copeland. She's on trial for the shooting death of her father in Troy back in 2012. She says she shot her father because he threatened to kill her if she didn't kill him. Matt Markham has been in the courtroom today where emotions ran high. Matt?
Liz, indeed they did. Good evening. The case here against Trinity Copeland, she's facing several murder and manslaughter charges in connection to the death of her father, Harlan Copeland. But the question here that the jury will have to decide is whether or not this is a case of defense or retribution. After arriving in Rensselaer County Court, Trinity Copeland spent much of opening statements with her head down, even wiping away tears. It perhaps showed more emotion than the prosecution indicated she did when police found her father laying in his boxer shorts with his legs and arms crossed and a gunshot wound to his head.
3 or 4 police officers got out of their car, rushed up to there, saw the defendant calmly standing there. As they made the way to her apartment door, the only thing she said to them was, "Can I grab my cat?"
Prosecutors say Copeland joked after saying someone broke into their house and calling her father a, quote, jerk during questioning. After police responded to their 7th Avenue home, prosecutors told a story of her speaking with an officer.
She said to him on 2 occasions, "Now, how is my dad? Is he okay?" What she said to him, folks, was, "Is he dead yet?"
The prosecutors claim Copeland stole his debit card and spent $150 with it. The possible motive explained to the jury, a desire not to be caught or restricted by her father.
She had no choice. I believe that the proof is going to show that she had no choice.
The defense stated Harlan Copeland told his daughter to say someone broke into their home and that the shooting wasn't planned.
Some of the evidence in this case is just sort of nuts and bolts type of evidence to get you from one place to another. But some of the evidence is going to be of such a nature, it will be complex. It will show compelling circumstances. A person can use deadly physical force, and that what happens is not a crime.
In fact, a medical examiner testified that Mr. Copeland's blood alcohol content at the time police responded to his home was 0.17. Not to be forgotten here also, during the process after Ms. Copeland was arrested, she admitted some kind of guilt, allegedly, to police. We've also been told by the defense attorney that Ms. Copeland should be testifying in this trial. It'll be interesting to see what she has to say, and of course, we'll be covering it for you. Reporting live in Troy now, Matt Markham, CBS 6 News. Liz?